Hi, Martes Mahoji Banjwa, especially my heart, soul, prana, masa, hasya, Chhattisgarh, Bastar region, Madhvi, Hidma, because and his wife Rajamma, because they lost their life in the Kagar operation by BJP government Modi ji. Central government BJP government has taken a task of to root out the Naxalism in the region of Bastar area, to take their land for the benefit of corporate companies. Even though Bastari people didn't want to root out their mountains, trees, plants by government, but central government has decided to root out that area, trees, plants. It's so desolation organized Hasya, Bastar Chhattisgarh tribals peoples. In the operation Kagaru, Hidma and his wife Rajamma lost their both lives, and their people have burnt them on one deathbed on one fire. So the wife and husband has become immortalized in that area. They both together living their lives is causing so much of agonized to the people of Bastar Chhattisgarh village people. Their tribals are living their total life on the forest as their total livelihood. But central government has decided to take their land in the regarding corporate organization, even though their Bastar Chhattisgarh people are not liking to that kind of act. It's so desolate, organized action taking towards the Bastar and that area. They couldn't want any assets, any properties, any bright futures, even though they are losing everything because of central government. They are requested the central government to leave them. But I hope if the central government to take that kind of operation Kagaru, it will be nice if the central government to take that operation Kagaru back. I hope the Lord Shiva to make that action to go back Asya as much happiness of tribals people, Bastar people.